It's going to be a great day of birding. We're going to go out there. We're going to see all these different types of birds. It's going to be wonderful. I hope you're as excited as I am. And you've brought in your high rain boots and your nice caps to keep off the beaten sun. The first bird we're going to see today, this morning, is the fold your blanket bird. So we all have to be silent. Here it comes. Now, watch what it does with the blanket. I don't know what's going on right now. All right, so. Oh, it's going to do it now. Once lengthwise and twice widthwise. Yes, that's how they do it. That's how they do it. Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. That's how it picks a mate. It chooses who folds the best blanket. Brilliant. Now this next bird, we need to bait. So what we do is we have some trash. Let's see what happens. Just wait silently. I hear it. Back it up! Back it up! Back it up! It's the pack it out bird. It packs out some trash. Amazing, folks. Amazing. Alright, so this next bird is the most rare of all. Let's see if I can spot them in the distance for you. Oh, I think what's coming. Must be very sad. Tip. Tip, tip. Tip, tip. Tip, tip. It's the Tip the Crew bird. Tip, tip. Tip, tip. Tip, tip. Amazing! It lays its eggs of wadded cash in the tip jar. Amazing! You should feel special. That was the rarest of them all. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Go out and enjoy the beautiful day.